Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove two dots below asterisk for required field in Avada form in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Avada theme builder and this is our Avada form. And then you see name field. So this is required field. And then you see asterisk. But also you see two dot below asterisk. So this is text decoration. So we are going to remove it using custom CSS for asterisk required field. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see fusion form element required, and then you see text decoration none, and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page. So this is our contact page, and then you see name, and then you see two dot. So this is our text decoration on asterisk. Now refresh the page, and then you see text decoration remove on required field. Now you see by using custom CSS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.